Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Mara M and welcome. So as you can see by the title of the video, today is a Titus vlog. I didn't even know what to call it, but yeah. So this weekend it's Titus'S getaway party. Titus is my sister's friend and he's moving abroad, so like we're having, so they came, him and his friends, him, my sisters and them came from Joburg to come and like celebrate Titus, I guess. So I'm currently going to them now. I'm on my way to my sister and them, so they're in the Airbnb or whatever. So, and we are going to First Thursday. Basically what First Thursday is like, it's First Thursday. I don't know what to say First Thursday is then, but you will see. But so we're doing art galleries and we'll see what else we'll do later on in the night. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited because I haven't seen my sister in so long. Like it's been a month, but it feels like a long time. And I haven't seen Titus and everyone else in a while. So I'm really excited to like see them and hang out with them. Like guys, we're gonna have so much fun this weekend. It's going to be so fun. And I am basically going to be gate crashing everything they're gonna do, because why would you come to Cape Town and not hang out with me? Are you sick? Are you mad? I'm going to come and get right your shit. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, see you guys when you get there. Guys, like I'm so upset. I am so angry. My sister gave me the wrong address and I ended up in Brooklyn. I was supposed to go to Woodstock, but I'm in Brooklyn. Like Woodstock and Brooklyn is not the same place. Like I'm so upset and I don't even have the words for it. Like I don't even have the words for how simply annoyed and bored right now. Like but it's whatever. I'm on my way now. I had to request again because the location we were in, jump scare. I had to request again because yeah.
Are you on your way?
Hi, it's good.
That's good.
The boy Titus.
Yeah.
Come to my estate. Just coming for a high still. He said, no, you know what I'm saying.
Hello, welcome to our playground.
You're looking good.
Thank you. I'm good. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
Oh, 2000.
Hey, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Guys, so I just arrived to the apartment. So I'm gonna introduce everyone. Like I just thought about it. I always have my sister's friends on my vlog. Like they're my friends. I have friends. If you ever wondered, like I have friends. Just that I don't know why I'm always with my sister's friends, but yeah. So let me show you guys Titus. Titus.
Yeah. What's up,
This
guys?
is Titus.
Yeah.
The man of the party.
The man of the party.
You know.
There's the boy. You know?
We're here because of Titus.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah,
Like
yeah,
this trip made it out of the
Everyone else
region.
is just a company. You know?
Yeah, but they covered Titus to just come see me, basically.
Yeah. Facts. Yeah.
So this is Titus. This is Mali.
But it's not here. But we're gonna have a good time. We're ready. Yeah.
And obviously, my sister, nothing new. No one new. Okay. Tanya, come. This is Tanya. This is Titus's girlfriend. So it's Titus and Tanya. Oh, go do Mile right now. So this is Titus's girlfriend, Tanya, and as you can just give some new people a moment every day.
This is actually my YouTube channel, okay? You just run it for me.
Good for agency.
And then there's Mali. I don't know who he is. I'll show you. Mali. Mali. This is Mali, my
Hi, everyone.
sister's friend too.
Yeah.
So this is everyone this year.
But where is my living? Yeah.
So yeah, we're about to go to Long Market and we're doing art galleries and stuff. It's gonna be so fun. Like, I'm so excited. You're gonna have so much fun.
Guys, the last time you guys saw me, Gambar Zaza. I look like a detective 911.
But anyway, yeah, we'll give it. We are lost again. We are lost again. Hey! Yo, guys, Boregile. Look at Bali is just as. The frustration is giving to him too.
Yes, fuck, I'm loving when.
No, not.
So we just arrived. Finally. And I think this. I swear there's something wrong with Uber today. Like it's not giving the right directions. Like it's just throwing random locations and going there. There's something off. Connecting off. Connecting because there's no way. Getting lost twice. One day I want.
Love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own love.
Henda, bari mini bitches. Good morning, guys. So today is a Saturday, and I am getting ready, or I'm trying to get ready. Today we're going to Franschhoek for the wine tram train thing, and I am so tired, guys. When I tell you I'm tired, I genuinely mean I'm tired. Like yesterday, I was literally so overwhelmed because I took so long. The party took so long. So it was a Eloise's surprise party. So we ended up just chilling there until like 11, and that time I had so much work to do. So I literally had to like work through the night to like finish my submissions for the day, so that I don't have to stress about it when I'm at the wine place. Get it? So yeah, I had to work throughout the night, so overwhelmed. And I like lately I've either been overwhelmed or underwhelmed. There's no in between. There's no whelmed at this point. It's just overwhelmed or underwhelmed. So whatever. So the white tram, so we're taking the red bus to Franschhoek. So the red bus is leaving at 8:30 at V&A. It's currently 7:15 right now. So I'm not even going to try film my get ready with me, because it's not happening. It's not possible. It's not realistic. Like, I need to chop now, and I want my makeup to eat. I don't know. I hope it eats. It doesn't look weird. So I'm really lost for time. I need to get ready very fast. So I'll see you guys when I finish getting ready. I'll talk when I'm done. So we're in the first wine day. We just arrived. Like, guys, so everything was just going to but like now we're in the first wine. Yeah, let's see how it is.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fucking night.
Guys, so we're at the first wife farm, and I think we're just gonna have breakfast because everyone is hungry and we haven't really eaten. So what is it called? Alebli. And yeah, it's so nice. Like, I love it. It's giving scenes. It's giving, you know?
You're pausing.
Guys, like, I feel like we have done so many wine tasting things that I just know. Like, I just really know. I know all the names now. like in my head, I can even take the instructor's job and just, you know, do the wine conducting, because every time my sister comes here, we go to a wine farm. Today we are going to 10. I mean, 10. This is the last time. This is the last time you guys will ever see a wine farm vlog ever, because kinarki animal ki finish marikiratas just going everywhere. So this is the last time. I'm done.
So starting to your side, starting with the boots. So this is the 20.
Oh, do you have Barbie? That's why she's
50% of
Yeah, you literally have a sticker on your roof.
yeah, because when I pasted on my
it was made in the stainless steel tank. First fermentation, the second fermentation.
guys, I'll become alive if I get something like breakfast. And my why am I so shy? I have a pair of
flavors, the marzipan flavors, the nut flavors, brioche flavors. So it's very crispy on the palate, it's very dry as well.
me and who?
Then it was fermented all together for 10. French oak barrel, second.
Yeah, will you
Oh, that is such a nice
this
view.
one-
Right, it's perfect.
So this Chardonnay
How?
is subject
Guys, so we just finished having breakfast and it was so mid. Like it was not giving. We didn't like it, but it's fine. We're gonna start wine tasting now at the next wine farm. Here's everyone. Since you didn't see them since that was so late. Embarrassing. My sister. Mali.
I'm going through a lot.
Mali is going like
Mali.
not having good.
Mali is
He's not having a good time.
Look, there's someone among us who grew a feature last night.
We're just like a purple.
Guys, let me tell you guys something. Mali, this group of people are jealous of me because why are they bashing my beauty spot?
That grew 2 seconds. Here's Titus.
It destroyed me on the
It's
bus when I
Titus's
noticed
birthday.
it this morning.
Yeah,
So wine tasting today.
Okay, I'm gonna drink here.
you're ready.
Don't pass out.
It's some
What are you?
stuff.
You're old. You're the
Because it
one
is a
who's
celebrity.
50, so I'm scared about
Go.
your health.
I'm strong for this. Let's go.
Let's go.
Ready.
I'm ready.
Memoir beauty spot.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds.
So we are at the next wine farm. It's called Botany. I don't know, but it's so nice.
It's not botany.
What is it? It is. The name of the dog? No.
The name of this place is botany. My question, this is my thing.
Botany, yeah. That's what it's called, and we're about to start tasting now. I know we're gonna have a Sauvignon Blanc. We're gonna have a something like. But is this?
With sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattooed that ass.
Wine farm number 1 down. How was your Sauvignon Blanc?
6 out of 10.
How was your gin fest? So we're going to the next wine farm now. Yeah, we're just waiting for the tram bus to come and then we'll go. I mean, I don't like one child. I'm just doing it for the experience. This child thing. I've had Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc before, but like really don't care for it. It was mid. On to the next.
And the weed.
You can kiss now.
Who you wanna be? A young stunner till I die.
we're in another wine farm. It is called. I'm not even
Going
gonna
from fun
read.
to business.
I'm not even gonna read the name, but this one. Zo what? Zoflick tonight. We are here. We are having some Chardonnay. Some. What else are we having?
Some MCC.
Some MCC. Oh, guys, I learned something. I've always known this, but like
And
apparently,
also some BBC.
and some other BBC. Apparently, champagne and MCC. What is supposed to be? I don't get it.
Keep going, MCC.
Bruh. Anyway, so apparently, like champagne and MCC are the same thing, but you can't call champagne.
MCC and they're the same, but they're not the same as sparkling wine. Sparkling wine, they artificially put the thing ages outside, and then they add some carbonation and they put it in the bottle. But apparently with MCC, it carbonates inside the bottle and it ferments inside the bottle. That's what I'm saying.
But anyway, that's what exactly something what he said. It's right. I was
Am I
about
right?
to say something wrong.
100%, man. 100% without any doubt.
Dog, I was listening. It's not that I was zoning out. I was listening.
100%.
I'm gonna give. What are we having?
Okay, good people. First and foremost, let me just introduce myself to you.
Yeah.
My name is Ishmael, and I'm gonna make you drunk today and tonight.
Yeah.
Is it okay with you?
We
Now
love
we're
it
good with
here.
that.
I hope no one is driving.
No.
I'm happy now. Now you can see my yellow teeth now. Yeah, yellow is my favorite color of the whole teeth.
So you also like yellow bones.
Too bad we don't have one yet.
I'm a yellow one, yeah? Yellow one.
Too bad there's none.
Okay, good people. The first one, you can try to pick up kiwi, watermelon, fig, etc.
How do you do it? Like this?
You swill it.
100%.
Like this?
Aromas you pick your eyes.
Wow.
Single vineyard segment.
What you taking, really?
Right, here we go. So that single vineyard Sauvignon Blanc, very refreshing. In the nose, you can try to pick up kiwi, watermelon, fig, etc. Very refreshing.
This is the best wine we had today, dog.
Isn't it?
I swear to
There is
God.
some fruity elements, but I don't know
100%.
what.
100%.
That is the best wine I've had today, dog.
I will take one.
Yeah, this is the
Now
best
talking
wine.
in language. It's quite refreshing. It's just
Wow.
getting a crispy entry on the palate.
What is it?
Single vineyard Sauvignon.
I don't know if it's because of that swirl, dog. The swirl was serving different.
Yeah, maybe it's gonna be like that. It's very refreshing, and I really enjoy it in summer when things are fine, when I'm not broke like now. Yeah, I go for it with the seafood aside, like sushi. Oh my god, you know, make me hungry now. Seafood like Greek salad, I go for it as well. Light food, Greek salad, go for it.
Welcome to Franschhoek tonight. Yeah, come sit here, man.
No.
Yeah, you're gonna just
Guys, I'm being tortured.
just go, Mali.
Okay.
It was never that serious. You know what it was? That serious.
Let's go for it.
Is this the champagne? Oh, well, the MCC.
Method Cup Classic.
Oh, it's the Cape Classic, 100%. It's not so-called Cape Classic only.
Method top.
Oh. No more method, just
Really?
Cape Classic. Yeah.
Wait, what does MCC stand for?
Method clap with clap us.
Method what?
Clap you.
Classic.
Method Cape Classic, like this.
Oh, method classic.
Method.
Not method. Method.
Method.
Oh yeah.
Like method of mathematics.
100%. So,
But they're dirty. Oh, okay. Hey, Mali. Stop it. Asim Radenia. Sim Radenia.
No, but I mean, it's not like.
Look at them. These things are not ready, dog.
Ne?
Oh, so.
What's this?
Mm.
What does it do there?
This shit bangs, dog.
The- The meaning? Is it nice though?
Not banks.
A bus. It's busing, okay? Oh, you thought you were going to home. No, but they're so sweet. Titus, don't want to taste one. Okay. Ni jinsi begini.
Continue.
Ikan, ini ndi kati. Ini ndo kubuka be. So what be we?
This guy is here.
Guys, I'm with a bunch of unruly people here. Like, why are people stealing grapes? Like, I can't take two bitches nowhere because you're already stealing. That's why black people don't deserve like things, because they act like this. Because they act like this, but the grapes, they are so good. Like, but they taste like normal grapes we have at home. Like, they taste like the river, right? But they just like 10 times sweeter. But essentially it's the same thing, but the skin is also like really, really hard. But it's so good. Now we're waiting for the next. We're waiting for the bus to go to the next wine farm. But we like this wine farm. We liked it, right?
No.
How much?
It's my voice.
Out of 10.
Look at certain
8. It's a good 8.
8 because
That's a 10 out of 10 for me, honey. Like that Sauvignon Blanc, it was
easy to impress.
Okay, Titus, what was your score?
To be honest, I went better because my local experience is also like mixed with international experience, so I tend to have that kind of strict comparison.
Okay,
but,
international board.
yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was good. I would give it a 7 out of 10. It's better.
Yeah, I'd give it a 8. It was good, like, but I feel like there should be more.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, wait, guys, let me tell you the wine here, right? And the guy that the presenter. No, the sommelier. Sommelier. He's really nice. He's really helpful, you know. He's a chatty guy. Like,
welcome to Sanzut. Welcome to what is this place called? What?
Oh.
Zorgvliet. He was giving welcome to Zorgvliet. To now.
I'm your host, Nyazima Pala TT. How tight.
But on to the next one. Madrena Asia. Diabuku.
Past us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block on my table from us.
Guys, so we're done with the first. So we're done with the other wine farm. The wine wasn't really amazing, to be honest. Nothing memorable. But now we're going to the next one. I don't even remember the name of this one. What was this one called? Buzz. Hey, coffee mini. What was the name of this wine farm?
Friday and Last.
Friday and Last. It wasn't amazing, but the boys said their food was good. We didn't eat because one.
I wasn't like it. Let's be honest.
It was mid, ne?
It was okay.
But like now we're going to the next one.
Got a sandwich.
A chicken mayo sandwich salad.
You can make it.
I'm not in the mood for this one. I'm just gonna say it so everyone knows it.
On to the next.
Was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number.
Ipin to the yago.
Engine.
Ipin to the yago.
Engine.
I don't even know what that's about. Watch 'em out. Maybe
Guys, we're at the last wine farm, and this wine farm is called Bushendale. It's currently like 3:45, almost 4, and the bus is leaving at 5. So this is our last wine farm before we leave, and I've literally had enough wine for my whole life. Like after this, I'm never ever going to have wine again because I've had enough. Even my tummy is starting to complain. My tummy is like, girl, what the hell is this business that you're doing? I've had enough. I'm sick and tired. When I mean it, when I say I'm never literally going to have wine, because it was horrible. Not horrible per se, but like I'd rather have a savannah instead. I'd rather have a savannah instead. Sana, like it's been too much wine for me. Like I'm good. So yeah, we're about to have our last round, and I'm so tired. It smells like chips, ne? I smell them, and this one they smell like they taste good. So yeah. To Titus. As we just had a sunny, beautiful day in Stellies. We loved it. And yeah, man. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, man. Ba, 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 ba.
Guys, right now we are about to go for sundown.
Sundowners, you know, just
after the sun has gone down though.
Yeah, but to Paula.
Yeah, the weather.
It's so beautiful.
Can we go to Cabo?
Hi guys, welcome back. So today is a Sunday. Yesterday we did Franschhoek and it was too good, child. Like it was so fun. I had so much fun. Like I don't even know what to say. Like the whole experience. Okay. The whole experience was like too good. It was too good. But my stomach was so upset at me, guys. Like we had so much wine. Like I think we might have done like a good. We did like 6 tastings and we had like 5 wines in each. So we had more than 20 like cupped glasses of wine. And this is like different types of wine. So like my stomach was just like, bitch, what are you doing? Like already, why am I doing this in the camera? It's fine. Like already I hate wine. Like my stomach hates wine, and just it's feeling so much wine in one go was just too much. Like I wasn't having a good time. Like I was in hell. Okay, but now I'm feeling so much better like than I did yesterday. Like we even tried going out, but I was so sick. I literally had to leave everyone behind and come back to rest because I was just like, ain't no way, boy, I can't do this, I can't stand this. So today my sister and them brought their stuff here because they checked out at 10. Of water. They checked out at 10 and yeah, they're only leaving at like 8, so they have their stuff in my place. They left it and they went for lunch, for breakfast. Sorry, I couldn't go for breakfast because I was still feeling very sick in the morning. So I was just like, nah, I will like miss breakfast and I'll only go to the farmer's market now. So I'm getting ready to go to the farmer's market. Yeah, like I'm having so much fun with my sister and her friends. Like it's too good, bruh. It's so fun. So we are going to the Neighborgoods farmers market now and we're about to have fun. Yeah, hi guys. So we just finished at the first market. It was raining, like the vibes were immaculate anyway. This is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye. Say bye guys. Bye. Bye.